everybody, Juliana here. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today is a special day because we're saying goodbye for this kitchen and starting in a new kitchen for the next videos. It's been a great year here making videos for you, and I'm so thankful for all the support from all of you. And for today's video, we will be making a delicious recipe, blondies. They're like brownies, but blonde. If you're a brownie lover, you're going to love this blondie twist on a classic dessert. And today I'll be showing you one recipe and how you can make it in 3 different flavors: traditional, salted caramel, and strawberry lemon. Vamos, let's bake! So for our first blondies, we will be going with the traditional recipe, and I will show you how to turn it into 2 bonus flavors. First of all, prepare your pan. This is the exact same kind of pan we use for brownies. I'm using a 90 by 90 inch pan. Oil it and place some parchment paper at the base. So for this recipe, I like to use brown butter. I find that it just takes that flavor to the next level. Cook 225 grams of butter into a medium pot until it gets brown. I've shown you everything you need to know about brown butter in my chocolate chunk cookies video. I'll leave the link to that in the description below. Into a medium bowl, add a half a cup of sugar, 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Add the brown butter, 3 eggs and 1 tablespoon of vanilla paste or extract. Mix everything together until it's well combined and has a lighter color. Sift 2 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt on top, in 2 to 3 parts until it's nice and combined. Then add 1 cup of white chocolate chips. My white chocolate pieces are a little big, so if you are using a smaller ones, add about a half a cup more. Place the dough into the baking pan, about 3/4 cup of the dough, and leave one side higher than the other. Add some salted caramel over the lower side. For an amazing salted caramel recipe, you can check out my Easter cookies video. I will leave that in the description also. Sprinkle some sea salt over the caramel. Place the leftover dough on top and make everything even. Bake it at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes until it gets lightly golden on top, and when you insert a toothpick and it comes out with some gooey dough. Make sure to let it cool down completely before you cut it. Make sure to cut into equal squares so no one gets jealous. This is what we're looking for, a crispy crust on the top and with a moist and darker middle. It looks like it's raw, but it's not. You will notice the difference. The salted caramel is unbelievable and melts perfectly. The salt gives the perfect balance with the sweetness. The more traditional one, in my opinion, is just right, not too much white chocolate, which I think some people overuse, and it comes out way too sweet. So now I will show you my strawberry blondies recipe. First we need to cut some strawberries into quarters and into eighths. About 10 medium to large strawberries. Use the same recipe and method as before. Just change the butter for melted butter, not brown it. You also will add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Reduce the white chocolate for half a cup. Before mixing the last addition of flour, add in the strawberries and fold them in until well combined. Bake them at the same temperature as before, 35 to 40 minutes. Cut just after they've completely cooled. To me, this one is the winner. The strawberries match so well with the white chocolate and blondie dough. The light citrus flavor from the lemon juice breaks the sweetness just perfectly. I could eat the whole tray. And for sure, you need to try this with some vanilla ice cream. They're delicious by themselves, but with the ice cream, it just brings it to the next level. And if you warm it up for 30 seconds in the microwave, whoa, I don't need to say anything else. I hope you liked the twist in a classic one, because it's really a must-try. I think for the last video in this kitchen, we ended on a good one. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the new kitchen. Ciao!